Hello everyone, my name is Swati. I am from Chandigarh University. I had a 6-month stipend-based internship with 10K in ThinkNEXT Technology Private Limited, Mohali. During my time here, I have gained so much hands-on experience in recruitment. I have learned how to source candidates, conduct interviews, and use various recruitment tools. It's been an incredible learning curve, and the seniors at ThinkNEXT has been so supportive throughout my journey. One of the things I love most about ThinkNEXT is the work environment. The HR team is always approachable, ready to help, and you get the chance to work on real projects that make a difference. It's not just about learning, but also about applying that knowledge in a meaningful way. The guidance I received from my seniors has been invaluable. They have helped me so improve my skills, and their feedback has pushed me to grow both professionally and personally. They really take the time to ensure that every intern feels involved and valued. They are offering me to continue here as a full-time employee, but I have to continue my study, so I am resigning now. In future, if I get the opportunity to be a part of this company, I will definitely choose ThinkNEXT Technologies. If you are looking for an internship that provides hands-on experience, a great learning environment, and amazing mentors, I highly recommend ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. It's been an incredible journey, and I am so grateful for the opportunity. Thank you, ThinkNEXT.